Have you ever wondered why the current hospital system is so inefficient? Uncomfortable hospital rooms, delayed status reports, and huge response times makes hospital visits an unpleasant one. Well, here's our solution, Plus Cloud. Plus Cloud is a medical Internet of Things solution which has a network of sensors gathering information of the patient and his room. All this information is sent in real time to the cloud and then embedded to an augmented reality device which is accessible to the doctor and the nurses, thereby saving valuable time and reducing human error. In addition to the augmented reality device, Plus Cloud also offers two Android apps, one for the doctor and the other for the nurses, offering different applications.
Current prototype serves for a single patient. Further, this can be extended to contain more number of sensors and accommodate the entire patient population of the hospital. This is the augmented reality Windows application implemented in Unity 3D software, which can be embedded onto a wearable device. We are using Furia plugin to employ and devise the augmented reality concept. Here, the dollar bill serves as the unique identification of each patient, and this can be replaced with a QR code further. The data displayed is retrieved from a cloud, and we are using Firebase as the cloud platform. The values to the cloud is updated from the Thunderbolt Sense Android applications, and as you can see, these are the real-time applications. These are the previous stored session values, which even have the patient as well as the patient's environment values. This is a website which has the real-time patient's health status value. The access to the website as well as to the Firebase database is given to only authorized and authenticated users.
As specified earlier, this is one of the applications, Atmal Sambi application, which is used by the nurse or the helper to get the real-time update of the health status of the patient. This is the health temperature. And this is the immediate alert, which is nothing but the gesture sensor, and we can get the alert messages from like this. And we have battery service, which actually specifies the liquid level values, and this is the blood pressure. This is the Thunderbolt Sense application, which serves as a display device for the patient's vital and the environment in which the patient is in. As you can see, there is temperature, which actually serves as the temperature of the room, humidity, ambient light, and even we can see the heart rate of the patient. It's changing, and this is the real-time values, and we have sound level, air pressure, carbon dioxide values, and this application serves as a gateway to stream to the cloud as well, and this is how we would stream it to the cloud.
Plus Cloud uses two leopard geckos. One acts as a slave and the other acts as a master, and also an Atmal Atsambi 11 and a Thunderbolt Sense. The slave leopard gecko is connected to the liquid level sensor to measure the liquid level of IV bag of the patients, which gives regular updates for the nurses on when to replace the bag, and is also connected to a gesture sensor which acts as an alarm when the patient needs help with just a gesture. In the master leopard gecko, it acts as a sensor hub. It uses a capacitive sense authentication system to switch on and off all the sensors. So here I use a touch capacitive sense to switch on my sensors. The LED on indicates that all the sensors have been switched on. It is connected to a heart rate sensor, which gives periodic update of the heart rate in beats per minute. And we have the heart rate electrodes connected onto my body to get optimal ECG signals. The onboard temperature sensor of the master leopard gecko is used to measure the body temperature of the patient, and The master leopard gecko receives sensor data of liquid level and gesture from the slave leopard gecko through low energy UART. Now all the sensor data from the master leopard gecko is transferred onto the Atmel Axambi 11, which is a Bluetooth smart device via low energy UART. Hence the data is displayed on the Atmel app, which helps the nurses to obtain data. And all the sensor data from the master leopard gecko is also transferred to the Thunderbolt Sense through low energy UART, which is then transferred to the cloud and then relayed to the Thunderbolt app and the augmented reality device, which is used by the doctors.